Hello, good morning parents, teachers, and even students, no? Lang yung light natin para tayong kinuha sa langit. Okay, so this is Sir Jiraya. So this morning, no, I'm going to share with you. This is very nice, no, na website. So this is a American Museum of Natural History, so Geology. So this you can search it on your website. No, on your Google, you can search Ology or American Museum of Natural History. Why sinishare ko to sa inyo? Kasi napakaganda kasi. So, dito pwede ninyong matutunan yung mga study of mga entropy, astronomy, brain, earth, and many more, no? So, Ology means the study of. So we have the anthropology, the astronomy, brain, earth, marine biology, paleontology, we have water, geology, physics, microbiology, genetics, climate change, biodiversity, and archaeology. What I love about this website is that pwede kang pwede kang maglaro. Merong mga games dito na pwede mong ipaano sa anak mo, okay, sa mga elementary student, no, meron dyan. So for example, let's say this one, the astronomy. Okay, we have here, no, the explanation about the what is astronomy. So you just press this one, more, and then yun, it will explain everything here. What is astronomy? Astronomy is the study of everything in the universe beyond the earth. That includes objects that can we see with our naked eyes, and etc. and many more. We have also here a lot of examples, no, na pwede niyo ipakita sa inyong mga estudyante at pwede niyo ipakita sa inyong mga anak, no, at sa mga estudyante din. Like you can study also here kasi naka-highlight na yung mga important details or yung mga important keywords, no? So, for example, this one, may mga examples dito, no? But if you look the same star, okay, try this. And many more. Meron din mga videos and a lot, no? In-explain talaga dito. Yung marami ka talagang matutunan. Okay, and aside from this, what I like about this website also is meron din silang this one. They have games. Okay, so they have a lot of games. We have here Project Space games. We have a closer look at Mars. For example, let's press this one. A closer look at Mars. So this one. This one is a game, no? Closer look at Mars. If you look up in the sky in a clear night, you may see a red dot among the stars. And how do we know about Mars? We have telescopes, no? And then here, what kind of light do you think we're looking for on a Mars? And we have also here choices, no? And just click answers. So this one is like a quiz game. Before you proceed to your quiz game, you will know first yung mga information, no? So let's try this one, the games. Okay, napakaganda talaga nito, promise, kasi ito yung during my college day, dito ako nag-study about, kasi meron kaming subject about astronomy. Yan, dito ako so Project Space Watch. So there are more than 1 million asteroids in the solar system. So this one, for example, now it's your turn to figure out which asteroid will stay far from Earth orbit, cruise or orbit, or may hit our way. So choose a level to begin. We have either easy, medium, and hard, no? Napakaganda talaga. For example, this one. So, message center. You will track asteroids moving across the night sky in your job as a planetary defender. turn the telescope to you. Let's turn on the telescope. Okay. Now, drag the beam in the orbital view to change where the telescope. For example, this one. So, paano natin kung saan yung location ng telescope? This will move the live telescope. Yun. See? So, and a lot, yung marami pa. Okay? Iba't ibang level. And then, once na makikita mo dito kung ano yung gagawin mo, and yeah, napakaganda talaga. And aside from that, no? Aside from games, we have also reading. Okay? Reading about the rock, reading about anything that talks about astronomy, and have also a hands-on activity. So a kid's guide, stargazing, build the big deeper. This one, we have also this kind of mga tawag dito, hands-on learning ng mga bata, no? For example, ano sila, kung ano yung tawag nun, parang kalimutan ko, experimentation. Yun. Okay. See? Nandito na, guide. How are you going to do the experimentation? So, this is very nice for the teachers and parents kung gusto niyo matutunan yung mga anak sa mga anak ninyo. Okay? Again, aside from the astronomy, we have also about the brain here, no? You can check this one on their website. And yun, so hanggang dito lang yung video natin. And this is not hindi to promotional or something, nagpo-promote. Nakita ko lang to kasi it is very nice kasi. And anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting. And I want you to please subscribe and comment down below kung ano yung gusto ninyong i-explore pa natin, no? And then siguro this week we will try to proceed sa ating mga learnings, no? And I will share it with you yung mga natutunan ko din during my college day. Okay, and I will also teach you on how to use AI, whatsoever is that. So I hope you will subscribe on my YouTube channel and just comment down below. Don't forget also to like, subscribe, and share, and press the notification bell for more updates. Okay, so this is all for this morning. So thank you so much, parents, teachers, and students, for watching this video. Again, this is Sir Jiraiya. Thank you, and God bless us all.